Alright guys, this is my, I think it's a 1956 Columbia, made here in Washington State. When I got it from an old lady for, I think it was like 250 bucks with the trailer. It's a galvanized trailer that I painted black. I replaced all these carpet and it's just newer tires and LED lights. Painted this whole thing, as you guys can tell from the pictures that I had up. Little cleats, it had full electrical. It's kind of torn apart now because working on that big beast. And I want to use some of this stuff. It's good stuff that I put in this little boat. But it's seen every single lake in this whole area. Over 10 lakes, over 15 lakes. Really good boat. I guess this is what happens when you put in some hard work into something and you create something that you can use and enjoy and make a lot of memories with. This thing's caught a lot of fish. Yeah. Much more to happen with the newer boat. So that's that.